Hello everyone, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to learn about biological molecules. Speaking about molecules make you think about chemistry, right? Actually, they are also learned in biology. This video will describe you the biological molecules such as carbohydrates, protein, and also lipid. When I say lipids, I'm talking about fats and also oils. So it's saturated and unsaturated form of lipids. The life processes depend on biological molecules, whose structure is related to their functions. Do you know that actually all the living organism made of quite small group of molecules? The most common thing that we can find in living thing is the water. About 55 to 60% of adult human body made up of water. In some organism, for example in this jellyfish, this can be up to 90%. Now imagine if we remove all the water in your body, what would be left? Well, it would pretty much just be protein, lipids, carbohydrates, and nucleic acid such as DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. So what are these all made of? Well, carbohydrates and lipids are really simple. They just contain three main elements: the carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The protein are a little more complex with 4 or 5 elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. Let's start by looking at carbohydrates. There are 3 main types of carbohydrates. The first one is monosaccharide, second one is disaccharide, the third one is polysaccharides. Monosaccharide is type of sugars that made up of glucose, galactose, and fructose. It's simple sugars. So it's easy for the body to break it down into ATP as the energy source. Second one is disaccharides. Disaccharides made up of maltose, lactose, and sucrose. Maltose is made up of glucose joined together with another glucose. Lactose is made up of glucose joined together with galactose. And sucrose is made up of glucose joined together with fructose. I have a simple way to memorize monosaccharides and disaccharide sugars. Monosaccharides can be abbreviated as GGF, glucose, galactose, fructose. How about the disaccharides? It can be abbreviated as malas, maltose, lactose, and sucrose. It's quite easy, isn't it? Another type of sugar is polysaccharides. Polysaccharide is polymers that are made up of a lot of sugars joined together and are so called as polysaccharides. Starch, glycogen, and cellulose are 3 main important polysaccharides. Cellulose is found in plant walls, and starch is the storage unit of surplus glucose made from photosynthesis. As you know, photosynthesis is a process that converting sunlight energy into chemical energy. Glycogen is the storage unit used by animals for surplus glucose and is found in the liver and also muscle tissues. Now let's continue to proteins. The protein also polymers, but it's made up of amino acid chains. Amino acid that make up the protein folds up into a complex 3D shape, which is held together by weak bonds. The bonds holding protein together are weak. This is why enzyme denaturate above certain temperature and certain pH. There are 20 different amino acids that make up the proteins. The order of amino acid varies in different proteins. The last molecule that we need to learn is lipids. Many lipids are triglycerides. These have a single glycerol molecules with 3 fatty acid tails attached. Different lipids contain different fatty acid. Triglycerides are form of dietary fat found in meats, dairy, and cooking oils. The liver also make triglycerides. So I guess that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.